Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, hill descent control, roof rails, remote engine start, front spoiler, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, fog lights, braking assist. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.